You know what? I realized, di pa ako nagsusuklay. Anyways, dumating kasi ako dito ng 4:02 a.m. Oh my gosh, dito na yung bus. So, today kasi is our staff retreat. Yeah, may nakasama. May kasabay akong maaga din ngayon. She's from Tarlac. She's an admin there. Sorry, na-realize ko ngayon na hindi ko siya ma-open kasi hindi pa ako tapos mag-makeup. Naglagay lang ako ng... Anyways, going back sa kwento ko. So, na-realize ko na parang na-enjoy ko ngayon yung alone time. Yeah. Ganun pala yun. OA lang ako. Parang may nilook forward ako na pwede ako mag-vlog, ganyan. Pero, sana dumating na rin yung mga kasama ko. Pero sana nga kasi nga sila, oh my gosh, tawagan ko sila.
Ano masasabi mo sa game?
Okay naman, natalo lang ako. Okay naman, natalo lang ako. Hindi ko matanggap.
Wag na natin videoan.
You should catch everything. At dahil dyan, hindi kaya ni JC. You can play strategically.
Wala ba't ako walang masahe?
So pag hindi, ulit. Until you get...
Ayaw lang sila na magtapon ng malayo.
Knees and toes, head.
What happens at the game? Ayun naman ako, sorry. So, maybe in your D group, maybe in your family.
Pero hindi ko alam ano nangyari ng question na ito. This is the hardest part of it. Like, over. No, like during the never been here before.
Grabe kanina, napag-ibig.
As purposed by God in the way that He expects it.
Just please raise your hand like this.
You have surrendered all your rights to Jesus.
This year was in Korea.
So that the world may know God through their unity.
Jesus in us and God the Father knows Jesus, we should practice unity po. So since Jesus prayed for unity for all.
Tim, she told my wife said no, don't decide.
Another party, and then you bring these people. So those are all things that
Oh, ang dami ko nang alam.
Grammy!
So this is our, ano na po to, day 2 here.
A string. Can you each take a string? Okay, so the other end of the line is with Cliff. The other end here is with bro, anong name mo? With Dan, with a green hat. We want to fade away so that only Christ on the cross will be seen, because that's the one that moves. That's the one that really ministers to people. So all our lives connected together, we put it upon the cross to remind all of us.
Ano kategory?
Okay ka pa?
A few moments later.
Sobrang tapang niya. Sobrang tapang mo, may pastika. This is for like
Dapat dalawa rin yung plato, no?
My God!
wow! Sabi ko, kuya, kahit yung tira. Ito?
ano ba yan? Video? Picture?
This is video.
Ha?
Video.
Sa tagal ng paghihintay, parang nakakawala.
If we win, those precious souls to God. Breathing on the water, Christmas. The mission's clear to you and me.
Bakit sa iyo ba nagkagusto?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
malapit sa akin. Sa lahat naman, isupport ko. Hello? Hello? Hindi ko narinig.
I don't know where tikim-tikim na lang ng food dito. Parang ito.
Bakit? Ayaw mo sa mataas? Sa tingin mo di ko kaya?
Oy! Oy!
Ulit. Go. Ayun na. Alam mo na yan.
Ulit. Ay, talaga kumakata na maayos. Siya na talaga kaibigan ko dito.
Tita, ano ba nakakanina? Gets na nga yun kanina eh.
Tama yung kanina.
Oo, tama. Yes.
Ano ba? Dito ba?
Actually, nga dapat yung hindi mo nga alam mo yun.
You will cover me with strength. Arrows by my day. Sige, mag-video ka pa! Aray ko. Rizal, kaya kaibigan ko dito. Mamaya pa. Maaari bang pagbigyan? Di ba? Maaari bang hawakan
Ang iyong mga kamay.
ay maabot ng langit
Ang iyong
mga ngiti? Sana ay masilip. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo. Miss your Thanksgiving, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right, and how you held me in your arms that September night, the first time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably mindless dreaming, but if we love again, I swear I love you right. Find the time to change it, but I can't. So here's the ring on your door, I understand. But this is me swallowing my pride. Say that I don't say nothing about this. You should have realized what I had is when you were mine.
Uy, galing! Pagkasal ka rin meron ako, bigla na lang umuspo. Gagawin ang tapos ko, di ka ikaw ang tunay na damdamin ng gabi at araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan mapunta. Araw-gabi
Jazel.
Ang layo ng tingin. May titipan mo ba ako?
Mari cakes. Ay, tumingin.
Sa isang sulyap mo, napahilig ako.
Aray ko.
Kabahan sa akin. Kabahan sila.
Yes, yes, yes. Malaman nila ka.
Ano yan?
Hindi, ganyan ka. Ganyan ka. Tingin ka dito. Hindi, dito ka tingin. Yes, yes, yes. Goldfish yan siya. And for the vlog, sabihin ko daw dito. 8:50 daw later for the picture taking. 8:50.
Sabi ko na.
8, oo nga. For the vlog lang daw sabihin.
For the vlog.
For the cloud. Oh, come let. Say hi to the vlog.
Magkakaanuan daw lahat tayo. Kuya, yung clip kita pa dyan.
Kuya! Dito?
Oo, 360 po yan.
Ay! Kita. Paano malaman?
Dito po sa kabilang sila. Demarts, ganito siya. Ayun, nakita ka pa din.
Ingat ka baka masalas ka!
Mas. Okay, arigo. Grabe.
Okay lang, 360 na yun.
360 yan.
Go, go, go.
3, 2, 1.
Elevate.
Sharing our last message, I guess. And being a blessing. Simple thought.
Papakit pa.
Ask yourself in the how I can be a blessing today. And then at the end of the day, ask yourself.
Kuya Jess, kala mo yan! Ay! Ay! Ay!
opportunity of the... Parang Andy yan.
Alam mo talaga kung sino yung ano.
Dami yan.
Sabi ko, tingnan mo, ay si Aaron.
Okay. Andito po ang mga table number. Yan.
Yay! Alo, di ko na videohan. Sayang.
Volume ng mic ni Coach Louie.
Aston JD Masakhan.
So, the generics pharmacy, the Pagli.
To be priority over here. So praise God for all of you.
Ay, video pala.
Hi! Oh my God!
Relax, relax.
Merry Christmas!
Kuha lang tayo. Yun lang. Ate Dani ka may jacket. Jacket kayo. Kakabigay mo lang kayo.
Bye-bye, Barbie. Okay po.
Wait lang yung ano yung box.
Super spicy.
Dalawang sili.
Sa Singapore, ganyan din siya. Sa Singapore.
Meron pa kuya na try na hindi ka nasarapan talaga.
Dami.
Pickle. Pickles.
Ako.
Yun ang salad. Mangga, ensalada. Ensalada. Ay,
Yeah, right.
sarap.
Anong highlight niyo na? Of squeezing the lime.
Yun!
Yes! Okay. Or pag
Tricky, no?
Ah, gusto mo diagonal eh. Pwede na. Talagang bibigyan niya sa lahat. Wala pala ako nakatsara ko na to. Yung siyang double po.
Yeah.
Oh,
Masarap yung Japanese ano?
Super lapit!
bye.
Okay.
Lapit mo na sa bibig mo. Lapit mo na sa bibig mo. Yes.
May sound effect. Parang napaka...
Kuya, hindi yung gabi.
Oh! Anong isaw mo ha? 295.
Umusta no? Grabe, dito mo masusuko ka.
Hindi ko alam yan eh.
Tumatakbo, tumatakbo. Ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot. To way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love would hirap mo lang matraffic dito sa kabaan ng Kainta. Never felt this way. Complete me, you complete me, like words and melody. Don't you know that we both belong, baby? Don't you know that we will last forever? Don't you know that we both belong? I knew it from the start. We belong. I'm finally home.